A federal judge says it couldn't be clearer. Migrants must be allowed to request asylum no matter where they enter the U.S.
The entire purpose of the asylum statute is to literally say it doesn't matter how you entered, you're allowed to apply for asylum.
And right now, caravans from Central America are starting to pile up at the border. U.S. District Judge John S. Tykar issuing a nationwide restraining order. Writing whatever the scope of the president's authority, he may not rewrite the immigration laws to impose a condition that Congress has expressly forbidden. The ruling, a temporary setback for the president. The administration introduced the policy earlier this month. It attempts to block anyone who didn't enter through a legal point of entry from making an asylum claim.
It's too contradictory to the statute.
What impact will the judge's decision have in the coming days at the border? Immigration attorney Leon Fresco says those seeking asylum will be able to do so regardless of how they entered.
If you present yourself as a refugee at the border, then the Border Patrol has to ask you certain questions. And if you articulate a fear of returning to your home country, 90% do get released into the interior of the United States to await their asylum hearing.
In response to the restraining order, the Department of Justice and the Department of Homeland Security signaled that they intend to defend the policy in further court proceedings on December 19th.
And that decision will work its way up to the Ninth Circuit and then ultimately the Supreme Court.
Something even the president is anticipating.
It's a disgrace what happens with the Ninth Circuit. We will win that case in the Supreme Court of the United States.
Now troops sent to meet those caravans are being sent home beginning this week. All 5,800 troops are expected home before Christmas. In Washington, Samantha-Jo, Spectrum News.